Well, one of the first things that you will want to do is go out to the site www.dropbox.com, and it should bring up this page. This is the little icon for Dropbox. This has a tutorial video which shares with you what Dropbox is about. Now, I'm not going to play that because I don't want to infringe on any of their copyrights with that, but I do want you to watch it, and then you will go right here and click on Download Dropbox. Now, Dropbox, if you'll notice, is good for Windows, Macs, Linux, and mobile. So you can put this on your IBM machine if you're an IBM user. And if you happen to be a Mac user, an Apple user, you can install it as well. When you click on Download Dropbox, here we go. It'll take you to this site, and it will give you this file. And you can save the file, and it'll pull up like this. Your downloads, then you're going to do your Dropbox installer and put it in your applications. Dropbox is a tremendously cool piece of software, and one that I think that you're going to enjoy using. It will allow you to reach out from any computer in which you're at, touch your Dropbox account, and access the files that are stored there. It will allow all of your group to work together on a common document and share material one with another, because whatever's in the Dropbox will be available to everyone. Now what I'm going to do is take you in and show you what Dropbox can do for you, that you might understand a little bit about what you're joining into. Let's swing in. Now what I have here, guys, I'm a Mac user, okay? You don't let friends drive IBMs or use IBMs. I use a Macintosh. I love it. I like making video, and it's just so easy for an old dog like me. Let's go in here. Here's Dropbox on my list. You would have Dropbox on your IBM. When I click on it now, in this I have some folders. Let's suppose, you notice I have Alpha Group, Beta Group, Delta, Epsilon, and Gamma. Now what I've done for you is that I have sent each of the group members that belongs to each of these specific groups an invitation to join Dropbox. Let's go in Alpha Group and look here. In Alpha Group, lo and behold, right there we have the group assignment. When I click on it, it's available to me. It's available to you just as easily as it is to me. No problem whatsoever. I can touch it here. You can touch it there. We can do all sorts of things. Over in the dog stuff, oh man, it's a mess right now. I've been moving things around, but I've just got all sorts of stuff out here that Rick and I have been sharing, and I've got to fix it all. It just looks awful, and I can do that. I can get everything back up where it needs to be. But let's just suppose a second that Rick and I have some things that we want to share. We both have access to this file. We can go in the College of Education, and here I have the Easter Conference, Costa Rica documents. I have things about the PhD in Global Learning that we submitted. And Rick can reach right in there and grab that just like I can. Dropbox is really a very, very cool piece of software. And I think this cloud technology is going to be very beneficial to you. Now, what you can do with this is that as you write your documents and you develop that group project, you can save your pieces into the Dropbox, and they're just automatically accessible to all of the other group members that are there. Everyone who has joined that Dropbox file folder can touch it, and they can touch it from their machine at home. They can log into Dropbox in Timbuktu, Texas, go to the old computer as long as it can get on the internet, and they can access it there. If they want to go on a cruise ship and access internet while they're on their cruise, then they can access it there. It's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at infinitely many sites as long as you have access to the internet. I think Dropbox is cool. How do you feel about it?